Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and fun here today, and today I'm going to have the unboxing of the Huawei P-Smart 2019 edition. Now, I promised you guys that I will be making more up-to-date technology videos on my channel, and here I am bringing you this latest unboxing of this latest phone that just got released a few weeks ago, if not a few days ago actually. And I purchased this in the UK. And I'm just going to tell you some key specs before I get into the box. It has a 6.21 inch full view display. It has a 13 megapixel rear facing camera and a 2 megapixel front facing camera, which is interesting because a lot of people like to take selfies. So this phone is, presumably targeted to people who like to take rear photos instead of, front facing photos. But we'll see about that. It has a 6GB internal storage, which is very good, and it also has a 3GB RAM. Which means that the phone will run superly, smooth and everything, which is awesome. And if it comes in two varieties, it comes in the blue and it comes in the black. And I got it in the Azure blue, as you can see from the actual color on the side of the box. But you can see on this side of the box, it just has all the IMEI information and everything. On here, we can see this is the Huawei P-Smart 2019, and then you have some Huawei logos. And at the back, it just says made with soya ink. And things that usually says, like if you look at a Samsung Galaxy packaging, usually has those things. So as you can see, it's sealed. I've never actually opened the box in my life before, so I'm going to do that now. So let's see what happens and how my first impression is on this box. I'm really actually excited to see how this phone turns out. So I'm just going to lift it up and let's see how it is inside the box. Okay, so it comes in this sort of simple packaging, as you can see. Nothing too extreme. I actually purchased this phone for £199.99 from Amazon. You can also get it from I think Argos and other things in the UK. So if you guys live in the UK, I'll leave some links down below. You can also purchase it from Amazon, eBay, etc, etc. So I'll leave all the links down below to where you can get this phone. But this is the phone. I'm going to come back to it in a minute. Then you get this little thing here that just pops out, and I'm just going to show you what you get. So nothing inside the box, as you can see. Yep, nothing. So it comes with a SIM Ejection Tool, which is pretty cool. It comes with a quick start guide, which is kind of long. I'm not going to read this, of course. And also it comes with a warranty card, because I think Huawei products comes with like 1 or 2 year warranty, which is pretty awesome. And we can see here, this is the charging cable adapter, and you have the adapter with it. But I'm just going to show you guys how it looks like. It's a micro USB cable there. They should have, in 2019 especially, technology is advancing. It would be much better if they could have put like a USB Type-C charger instead, instead of this micro, USB that no one actually uses till date. But anyway, that's okay. And then we have the Huawei sort of charger, and I guess you guys know that this just pops up. I'll just take it out of the packaging so you guys can see. Oh, just going to take it out here. There you go. Just take it out. There you go. So you guys can see. This is the Huawei adapter. I'm just going to pull it up. So this is actually, you pull it up with your hand like that. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's that. And then we get a few other things. So we get the headphones or earphones. And these earphones, I'm going to have to say I'm not a big fan of them. They're not in-ear earphones. They're just standard earphones, and they don't even have a volume rocker on them. Again, in 2019, guys, Huawei, they should have been, up to date on the accessories. But nevertheless, guys, it's still a great phone, it's still a great brand, and a brand that actually develops, has key, things on their phone. But you can see it comes with an actual screen protector on it, so you don't have to worry about buying a screen protector apart. And it comes with this sort of, nice sort of, back, and it has all the IMEI information and everything. And I just love it. Like, look at the color. Like, if you look at it from this angle, you see blue, and then if you look at it from that angle, you see like light blue and turquoise. And, especially for all the blue fans out there, this phone looks pretty awesome, and it'll be a pretty awesome phone. And what I like about this phone, you could say it's a notchless phone. So I'm going to turn it on. I never actually owned a notchless phone in my life, but you can see it's powered by Android, Huawei, and the fingerprint reader is there. Pretty awesome. So I'm going to show you guys around the device. So what we can see here is the volume rocker, the power on and power off button, and probably lock and lock button as well. We have the volume rocker here, and that's the little sound. We have the SIM Ejection Tool, micro SD, expandable memory tool. If you want to like, I think this let me just actually check. I think when you put your SD, your micro SD and your SIM, which should be normal. Yeah, there you go. We got your micro SD insert and then also your nano SIM, and it comes in there, which is pretty awesome. And at the bottom, we just have our 3.5mm head jack. So thank God they included that. And we have only one speaker, which is kind of disappointing. They could have included one at the bottom, one at the top, but of course they just had one at the bottom, which is, you know, I don't expect this phone to have great speakers, but that's cool. And then at the front we have your, you know, your receiver here, so you talk in here, and then your microphone at the bottom. And then here we have our 16 megapixel front-facing, 2 megapixel front-facing camera and 16 megapixel rear-facing camera, which is pretty awesome. So guys, this phone is actually not waterproof, but I will still be making a check if it actually works under the water, like I did in my Samsung Galaxy J3 or J6 Plus video. I'm not really too sure about which one it is, but you guys actually loved that video. You showed great support, so I guess you guys like those types of videos, so I'll probably be making that again. But there you go. So I'll just set it up and then we'll see how it is. So to see, guys, this actually phone, you know, is notchless. It doesn't have a notch. It has like a little notch at the sort of at the middle there. But I'm just going to skip all of these things. So how am I skipping all of this? Skip. So I just want to show you guys how it is. So the first sign, guys, is not really responding. Accept. Okay, so you can set face unlock. Okay, fingerprint ID of password. Let's see how face unlock works. So I'm going to set a code on my screen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And then you just look at your face on it. Agree. Okay, so I think that's how it works. Okay, I'm done. Set fingerprint ID. Okay, so you can set it to answer calls, to take videos, to stop the alarm, to show notification browse or browse photos, which is pretty awesome. You can actually, I think, yeah, you can like swipe and stuff to see things, which is pretty awesome. I mean, Apple should have done something like that, but again, they removed their fingerprint reading on here, which is pretty disappointing. But yeah, I'm just gonna put my finger at the bottom and at the back. I'm just gonna show you guys how quick it is. Okay, wow, very quick. Okay, done. That is pretty the quickest sort of fingerprint I've ever done on any phone, so that's pretty awesome. So no, thank you. Join. I'm not gonna join later. Okay, so I guess I'm in the wow. First impression, guys, this looks like a pretty amazing phone. It's the colors on this phone, guys, you won't be able to like, you know, judge it. The colors on the phone is absolutely awesome. And for the price, £199.99, you're getting an amazing deal. I'm just going to choose the camera very quickly. I know it's not going to be a full representation because I'm indoors. I'm not going to show you an outdoor sort of thing, but yeah, the camera is awesome. Okay, so let's take a picture of that. And then the front-facing camera. Okay, the front-facing camera is not really great. Okay, so you can see that, not really great. And the rear-facing camera, I would say, is much better, and you can see that evidently on the shots. So yeah, guys, this phone is pretty awesome. There's nothing much I can say. A slight lag to it when you're browsing, of course, but you expect that from such a cheap price handset. If you want me to include any specifics in the review, leave your comments down in the below, and I will certainly make a video on that. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my Unboxing Fun for more videos. And this is the unboxing of the Huawei P Smart 2019.